keep it undercover. Living my life on red alert. Do the thing, I'll make it work. No risk, baby, I'm fearless, but I always got your back. Nobody can do it like I can. I gotta find out who I am. Ain't gotta worry about me. It's all part of the plan. I keep it undercover. I keep it undercover.
Welcome back to another episode of our weekly show. I'm your host, Emberly.
And I'm your host, Sydney. This week we have a lot of fun segment. Let's go right into them with our first one, bad parking, that turns into going through Emberly's car.
Hey guys, so today we're looking at bad parking in the student parking lot, and we're starting with this truck. You're not in a spot, you're in between two spots, so I hope you don't have neighbors. But you probably should park like in between the lines. Again, with the parking not in your lines, it's really not that hard. Like, just park in between the two lines on the ground. Okay, so this is an example of good parking because all these big trucks parked in between the lines and isn't overflowing into each other. So this is how you should park your truck. Okay, so y'all don't park bad enough, and we didn't have enough cars, so now we're going through my truck and seeing what's in my trunk, and there's a lot. My Thanksgiving turkey, so cute.
Let's build more memories. Homecoming.
This is when my boyfriend asked me to homecoming, and I got Lego flowers. So cute.
A bowl with food. And a song.
Yeah, I don't know when that's from.
Okay.
I don't really clean out this.
Candy bucket. Yeah, guys.
If there's emergency and I'm on the side of the road,
And this is open.
I need water. A fork to go with the bowl.
What else is in here?
If I ever go to, like last minute have to go to a fancy event, I have my homecoming heels in here.
Ag hat.
Eva, if you're watching this, your shirt from the summer and your hoodie's still in here. Please come claim it.
Should we blow it up? I think we shall.
It's an alien. Let me see if I can go find anything else while she blows up our friend. Sometimes before the gym, I like a little rice cake, so we have my chocolate rice cake.
I just don't think I'm making much progress.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're still working on it.
A granola bar. These peanut butter chocolate ones are really good. And then I stay stocked with my sauces, so we have a bunch of Taco Bell fire sauces.
I knew I could blow up my alien friend. Hi. So that was us looking at parking and going through Emberly's car.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Well, that was interesting. I should probably get my car cleaned after that. But let's not keep you waiting. Now we have Lost and Found. If any of these items are yours, come get them.
Guys, we're going to be doing Lost and Found video because there's a lot of people stuff in here.
Yeah.
So if you see anything that's yours, then come get it. Okay?
Come get your bag. It's stained up, but There's a sock, 2 socks in it.
There's
Go get your bag.
Top.
Um,
So if you want this, come get it. Show the camera what's on this. That's really gross. But if it's yours, if a little wash won't
nice pair
hurt.
of Adidas.
Some Stanleys. I mean, these are pretty nice. A good wash in the dishwasher. It'll be clean. So if you want these, come in.
Come get your sweatshirt.
Let's.
Let's just.
Oh, okay, so we have this
So we
bag.
have some mouthwash.
And then oh my, a lint roller. I
brand new
actually
lint roller?
I may take this because I needed it today. So
Some nitro spray, cucumber, and avocado. Don't know what that is. Looks like deodorant. Knockoff deodorant. From pit to tip.
we have some ibuprofen and some. Don't even know what this is, but it looks like an
facial
ointment.
cleanser. Okay. Whoever this is very hygienic.
Oh, okay. I guess he was a little hungry. He has a Gatorade protein bar.
Toothbrush.
God, that's gross. It's really gross. Petroleum jelly. Oh, okay. I don't open up.
Toothpaste. And what is and
like-
shower gel.
Okay. So we have CRV. He doesn't want to get burnt, obviously. He or she doesn't want to get burnt. Oh, and the last thing. This is. Wait, I use this on my hair, but not this kind. But like, this is the brand I use. Okay. So that's all that's in here, actually. So this,
Got a
if this is
charger.
yours. I don't even know. Under Armour.
Hey, this
Think
is a
come
new
get it.
charger too, so.
Couple of lunch boxes. I don't think anything's in there. Oh, it feels like something's in here.
Jeans.
Okay, so in here we have a Jolly Rancher fruit roll-up wrapper.
We have another bag. A single shoe.
In this bag, we have a little cheetah print sock.
Got ourselves another bag. Seems empty, but it could have fallen to the bottom, so.
This is a pretty nice raincoat. I mean, it's purple and black, so it's really nice.
Jonah Holder, come get your water bottle. It says 4th grade. Jonah, come get your water bottle.
All right. Guess someone was trying to be a little too cozy in school, brought a blanket. Maybe forgot it. So if this is yours, come get it.
Cute little Nike hoodie with a couple stains.
Honestly, some of this is not bad. A scarf.
A scarf.
Scarf. So if this is yours, come get it. Oh. If this is your hat, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle hat, come get it. If any of this is yours, come claim it. And yeah, some of this stuff is pretty good, so just a little wash.
Next up, we have our athlete spotlight. This week, we have Will Irish. I'm Sydney, and I'm here with.
Will Irish.
What sport do you play?
I play football.
What is your position in football?
I play outside linebacker.
What happened with your injury, and how did you do it?
I tore my labrum and my bicep tendon.
How?
So I was blocking a punt and I hit another opposing team very awkwardly.
How long is your recovery?
6 weeks in a sling, 12 weeks fully recovered.
Will you be able to play football this year?
Yes.
Are you excited to play football?
I'm very excited to play football.
What are you most excited about this year?
It's my senior year and I'm just ready to get back out on the field and play.
Do you like being a student at Cartersville High School?
Yes.
Last week we had Powder Puff and the juniors won back-to-back. Let's go check out some clips.
Up next, we have Spin the Week with a French horn.
Yes, yes. Now we're gonna go clean out this beautiful spin bag. Our very, very cool band director. Day two.
Day 2. You know that, right? Currently doing the band.
He's currently doing the band. Day 3.
Day 3.
It's day 3. You. Ready for my dance, guys? What day is it?
This is the last day. Your boy got an ISS. That's a knee slide.
For our last segment, we are going to be going to Target and trying to guess the price of items. Hey guys, so we're at Target and we're going to be guessing the prices of items here. Okay, so I got this corn popper. I'm guessing this is inflation, guys. Okay, so I'm thinking when we were kids this would be around like $12, but I think this is like $18. Oh, never mind. Inflation's not a thing. Okay.
I have some baby AirPods. I would think these would be like $5, but I'm really thinking maybe like $10.
$8.29. $8.29. Okay, now we got this unbrushed hairbrush. I actually use these, but I don't remember how much mine is. It's a hairbrush. I'm gonna say around like $9 or $10. What the heck? $18 for a hairbrush? That's crazy. Okay, now we're playing Can Sydney Fit in this basket? I hope we don't get in trouble. She fits. If you ever want to put Sydney in a bucket, come get this one from Target. $15. Okay, so this is to show people how much feminine products are. This is 47 handles. That's a lot. Has light, regular, and super. I'm guessing like $16. Hey, I was pretty close. Period. Actually, it's a $11.49. I was off.
Right here we have 2 liters of Tide Oxy Odor laundry detergent. I'm gonna guess this is about $25.
$12.99.
What?
Okay, here we got the Disney Princess Beach Towel.
I low-key might have to get this for myself. I really like this. I'm thinking 738. That's expensive for a towel, guys. Y'all should not be spending that much. Okay. So here I have what looks like a skibidi toilet. I'm thinking maybe like $32. What? What? It's 31. How'd you know? Did you see it? I think that's crazy overpriced.
Time for our weekly announcements. This week we had a baseball game Wednesday and we won that. And we also have a baseball game last night that we won. Emory Elrod is an individual vault state championship qualifier.
Now for our weekend weather. Friday we have a high of 77 and a low of 63 with a 70% chance of rain. Saturday we have a high of 80 and a low of 62 with a 50% chance of rain. And Sunday we have a high of 80 and a low of 59 and it will be cloudy.
That is all for this week and have a good weekend. Go Canes!